Today I'm going over how to replace a reverse light bulb in this 2025 Subaru Outback. Now this is the same from 2020 all the way up to 2025, the 6th generation of Outback. So let's jump into it. So if your reverse bulb is out, we're going to start off by opening this guy up. We have this hatch here, which we'll need to pry open. I'll put a link in the description. These guys are interior trim tools designed for cars, and versus using a screwdriver, this won't want to pry or ding and scratch up the plastic. So this guy inserts here, and you just work. There are clips all along here, so as you kind of hit those clips and pry gently, you shouldn't mark up any of this in here. So this opens up, revealing our hatch, and this is the reverse bulb here. So this guy turns counterclockwise to remove, so like this, boom, and then it is a tight fit as far as the wiring, so on this particular model, and then that pulls out there, and there is our bulb. Then we pull this out with, you definitely use gloves. You don't want to touch the glass because the oil on your hands will make the bulb actually not last as long. So this is the bulb. I just grabbed a paper towel and I popped it out here. This is a bulb 921. I'll put a link in the description. This literally just pulls out, and then when you go to put it back in, line it up, and it pushes back in. Once it fits back in, you can't put it in wrong on a regular bulb like this. So, and you can also see that filament really clear right there. That's also how you can tell if that was the problem, if that bulb is, that filament's broken right there. But you can put in LED. If you replace this with an LED bulb, you can put them in backwards. So put it in, check it, make sure it turns on. If it doesn't turn on, flip the bulb 180 degrees and then go. Then this goes back into the hole there, and then you have to find where the little notches align. Boom. Once you find the spot where all the notches align, it should fit snug in there and twist clockwise, boom, until it clicks. And that's how you change the reverse bulb on an Outback. Then we take our, remember this fits the curvature of this, and this side goes in first. It's got these little hooks, so that goes in first, and then these just press in, and now I can finish the video. This is how you change a reverse bulb. The only tool I would recommend is grabbing that and then having a napkin for the bulb. Then we could close this up, and it is all done. If this was helpful, give a thumbs up. We'll see you next time.